Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now, fresh from securing a 3-0 win over Arnett Gardens at Sabina Park on Sunday, their third on the trot, 2021 champions Cavaliers inched up to fourth in the 14-team standings of the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League. Goals from Kyle Ming in the 10th and Dwayne Atkinson in the 21st, as well as Shaniel Thomas in time added, did the trick for the Rudolph Speed coached Cavalier team that leapfrogged Arnett into fourth on 24 points. Arnett, who are also on 24 points, in fifth, ended the game with 10 players after Rashawn Amos was red-carded in the 79th minute. Former champions Harbour View secured their second win of the season, stopping the struggling Treasure Beach 2-0 in a dramatic fashion in the opening game of the doubleheader at the venue. Joshon Anglin and Shaquille Bradford both scored in time added to secure 3 vital points for the Ludlow Bernard conditioned team. With the win, Harbour View are now on 12 points from as many games, but remained in 11th place, while Treasure Beach remain on 13th on 7 points. Both fixtures were rescheduled matches. The league continues on Wednesday with a doubleheader at the Stadium East. Cavalier FC, Humble Iron will be in action. Harbour View tackle Dunbar Holden at 6 in the evening. Now, Germany football legend Franz Beckenbauer has died at the age of 78. The legendary Bavarian, who won the World Cup as both player and manager, died peacefully in the presence of his family. Beckenbauer is widely regarded as one of the finest footballers of all time and one of only 3 men to win the World Cup as a player and a manager. He won 104 caps for West Germany, captaining them to glory at the 1974 World Cup, before repeating the feat as manager in Italy 16 years later. He also won numerous other honours, including a hat-trick of European Cups with Bayern Munich in the mid-70s, when he also established his reputation as a defender of supreme talents. Now, South African wicketkeeper batsman Heinrich Klaasen has announced his retirement from Test cricket with immediate effect. Klaasen will continue to be available for South Africa in the white ball formats. Klaasen played 4 tests between 2019 and 2023, the most recent against the West Indies last summer. He is a second senior player to retire from the format after Dean Elgar's test career came to an end with the New Year's test against India. Klaasen was not part of that squad after being dropped for Kyle Verreynne, but test coach Shukri Conrad said Klaasen was still part of his plans. Shakib Al Hassan, one of the greatest Bangladeshi cricketers of all time and ranked number 1 in all disciplines, has won a landslide victory in the constituency of the western city of Magura to secure a seat in Parliament. Al Hassan will combine cricket and politics. The Bangladesh cricket captain defeated his opponent by 150,000 votes in a decisive victory in the parliamentary elections. The 36-year-old is regarded as one of the best players in Bangladesh's history. And that's it for your midday sports report. Ashane?
Thanks, Jordan, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.